My alarm clock is very loud. I stretch and yawn. I wake up when the sun rises. I make my bed. I wash my hands with soap. I rinse my mouth. I brush my hair. My mom is cooking breakfast. I fold my blanket neatly. I open my curtains. I feel proud of myself. I look outside the window. The sky looks beautiful this morning. I tidy up my room. I put on some lotion. I choose my clothes for the day. I tie my shoelaces. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile at my reflection. I go to the kitchen. I smell something delicious. My dad is reading the newspaper. I sit down at the table. I eat toast with butter. I drink orange juice. I talk with my family. We plan our day together. I check the time. I don't want to be late. I put my books in my bag. I zip up my backpack. I put on my jacket. I hug my mother. I close the door behind me. I wait at the bus stop. The bus is coming. I climb on the bus carefully. I find an empty seat. I say hello to my classmates. We chat during the ride. The driver greets us kindly. The road is smooth today. I look at trees and car outside. I listen to music with my earphones. I check my messages on the phone. I take a deep breath before class. I feel ready to learn. I walk up the stairs. I put my bag on the desk. The classroom looks bright and clean. The teacher smiles at us. I make a small mistake. The teacher praises me. I answer a question correctly. I help my friend spell a word. We take turns reading. We practice pronunciation together. I repeat after the teacher. I open my textbook. The teacher writes the topic on the board. I underline new words. Everyone says good morning. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, tell me in the comments if you want a video on any specific topic. See you in the next video. Bye bye.